Hello and welcome back to my channel Study and Prepare with me, and today we will learn about USA's new tariff policy and its global impact. Important questions. So let's get started. First question: which country has been the primary target of the new tariff hikes announced by the United States in 2024 to 25? This is China. As per the 2024 tariff revisions, which sector is most affected by increased US tariffs on Chinese imports? Automobiles and EV batteries. What is the rationale behind the US imposing new tariffs on Chinese goods in 2024 to 25? To counter unfair trade practices and reduce dependency on China for critical technology? Answer is B. Which US law provides the legal basis for imposing tariffs in the name of national security? The Trade Expansion Act of 1962, Section 232B. Which international organization can be approached for resolving disputes over tariffs imposed by countries? IMF, WTO, World Bank, or G7? Answer is World Trade Organization or WTO. How has China responded to the recent US tariff hikes in 2024 to 25? Imposed counter tariffs on US goods, filed a complaint in the WTO, announced subsidies for affected industries, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Which sectors in India is expected to benefit indirectly from the US tariff tensions in 2024 to 25? Is electronic manufacturing. In 2024, the US imposed a 100% tariff on which specific Chinese product category? Solar panel, electric vehicles, medical equipment, rare earth metals. Electric vehicles. Which US government body is responsible for trade negotiation and enforcement of tariff policies? Department of Commerce, Office of the United States Trade Representatives, Federal Trade Commission, Department of Treasury, Office of the United States Trade and Representative, USTR. What is the term used when countries impose tariffs on each other in retaliation? Trade balancing, trade war, protectionism, anti-dumping. Trade war. That's it for today's lesson, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit that bell icon to never miss an update from this channel. Thank you so much for completing 200 plus subscriber in my channel. Stay tuned to the next video.